In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Photopea. Editing text is simple, whether you want to replace all of it or just make small changes. First, head over to your Photopea project and select the text tool from the left-hand toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas and type in any text as an example. If you want to edit this text, first make sure the Move tool is selected. Then double-click on the text on your canvas and it will be fully selected. Press the backspace key on your keyboard to remove the existing text, and then type in your new text. Once you finish, select the Move tool again, and you will see your updated text displayed on your canvas. If you only want to edit part of the text instead of replacing it entirely, the process is just as simple. Double-click on the text to select it, then click and drag over only the words or characters you want to remove. Press backspace to delete them, and then type your new text in their place. This method allows you to make precise edits without affecting the rest of your text. It's important to note that this method works for standard text layers. If your text is embedded into an image and does not exist as a separate layer, you will need a different approach. We have a separate video titled How to Edit Text in an Image in Photopea that explains how to handle text on both clean and complex backgrounds. Search for it on our channel and you can follow those steps if your text is part of the image itself. And this is how you can edit text in Photopea.